This is a disaster. Years of neglect have transformed this once proud driveway into a mossy nightmare. But fear not, because today we're going to destroy this moss. Forget pressure washing. This rotating brush is the ultimate moss killing machine. It's going to tear through the grime like nothing before. Our first step is to clear off any debris that's lying on top of the driveway so the machine can get in and do a good job. This powered brush is the ideal tool for sweeping moss, mud, leaves and even snow, although we don't get much of that here in Belfast. We hired this machine for the day. Now, I know a lot of people won't be able to or have access to hire something like this. Later on in the video, I will tell you about a much easier option if you're a homeowner. If you're enjoying this video, if you could smash that like button down below and give us a wee follow, really appreciate it. Now let's get on with it. You can see the transformation starting to take shape. However, this bottom section of the driveway is nowhere near as bad as the bit what we're about to do at the top now. About a week before starting this project, we called round and applied an algicide. Algicides are products for killing green growth on hard surfaces such as driveways. If you want to help support the channel, I'll leave a link down below to the product that we use. A quick stop to clear up all that debris that's lying on the surface before we move on to the next section. One final job left to do, and that's to put on the algicide, and that helps stop the moss from coming back. Transformation complete. Now if you want to find out how to clean your own driveway without having to hire an expensive machine just like the one we used in this video, make sure to watch this video next.